Koray Tuğberk Gübür built his own three-part model of AI search independently. Here's why it lines up almost exactly with the Algorithmic Trinity.
The Kalicube framework. I just showed you this before the show, talking about the bots over there on the left that collect the information, the algorithms that activate it, put it into the display level, which is the AI assistive engine. Somebody wins the click, somebody wins the client, then we serve them through our business OPIDC, codify it, and loop it back through into the bot. What do you think of this as an approach and a presentation?
In my opinion, it's a great conceptualization, visualization, and also simplification too, because every letter here actually deserves maybe 100 pages normally. But when you just treat them as like DC or DSCRI, it is getting easier basically to explain people to the steps and also to explain them how a tool possibly is working as well. And you also do a kind of classification here between probably the traditional bots or probably the new nature of the large language models or the different type of retrieval systems too. So in my opinion, it sounds very complex, but also simple as well.
Super. And the algorithmic trinity, that's kind of my favorite part. I'm talking about the LLM, the search engine, and the knowledge graph, which is the three technologies that go together to build an AI assistive engine. An LLM is intelligence, a search engine is information, and then knowledge graph, I've added the term verification. How do you feel about that?
It's actually sometimes very funny that your vision and my vision is always that parallel, because in my system too, I call something like SERP Triad, but slightly different. In that SERP Triad, some results or some efforts are just for basically web document ranking, passage ranking, or passage indexing, we can also call it, and also, of course, the passage generation and being cited in the passage. If you don't rank your document, your passages are gonna not be extracted. And if your passages are not indexed, an actual generated answer is not gonna cite you back. We started to use dynamic rendering to serve large language model agents, markdown version of a site. And according to the user agent of the LLM, we changed the markdown too, because GPT preferences or cloud preferences or Perplexity preferences for the content might be different from each other. If you see that, for instance, GPT is citing a passage or a document more frequently according to the dates above, or according to certain type of named entities it actually mentions, we try to adjust small differences according to the agent differences as well. And since these files are solely for the LLMs, it doesn't harm for Google side as well. So it's not like cloaking